Welcome to Financial Accounting 101. If you don't understand double entry, you will fail financial accounting. Let me make it simple in 4 minutes. This is a quick, clear 4-minute guide. Let's start. What is double entry? Every transaction affects 2 accounts. For every debit, there must be a credit. Debit is the left side of the account. Assets increase and expenses increase. Credit is the right side of the account. Liabilities increase and revenue increases. Key principle: total debits must always equal total credits. Now, the golden rules. There are 3 types of accounts: assets, resources owned by the business. Examples: cash, equipment, inventory. Liabilities, what the business owes to others. Examples: loans, payables, mortgages. Equity, owner's claim on the business. Examples: capital, retained earnings. Remember the core accounting equation: assets equals liabilities plus equity. Now, the rules for recording. For assets and expenses, debit to increase, credit to decrease. For both assets and expenses, debits increase the balance and credits decrease the balance. For liabilities, equity, and income, credit to increase, debit to decrease. Still confused? Use this trick. Remember CLIC. Deb means debit increases expenses and assets. CLIC means credit increases liabilities, income, and capital. Let's do examples. Example 1. Started business with 50,000 cash. Journal entry: debit cash 50,000. Cash is an asset and it increased. Credit capital 50,000. Capital is equity and it increased. Accounting equation remains balanced. Assets plus 50,000 equals equity plus 50,000. The business now has 50,000 cash as an asset and 50,000 capital. Example 2. But furniture for 10,000 cash. Journal entry: debit furniture 10,000. Asset increased. Credit cash 10,000. Asset decreased. Key concept: one asset increased while another asset decreased. The accounting equation remains balanced. Practice for you. Received 20,000 from customer. Answer: debit cash 20,000. Cash increases. Credit sales 20,000. Sales revenue increases. Debits equal credits. Balanced entry: 20,000 equals 20,000. Summary: Number 1, debit, what comes in. Number 2, credit, what goes out. Number 3, a transaction has 2 sides. This is the core principle of double entry accounting. Next steps: comment double for free practice questions. Next video, and trial balance. Subscribe to learn bookkeeping fundamentals. Thank you.